evening.
So,
How are you?
good evening to. I'm fine. What about you?
I am doing excellent, and thank you for asking.
Okay. So, as a meeting first time, can you tell me something about yourself?
So definitely, I would love to introduce myself. So this is Bablu Kisku. I am connecting from West Bengal, and as far as my qualification is concerned, I have completed masters in English literature, and by profession, I am a teacher. When it comes to hobbies, I love to play cricket, football, and having conversation of different kinds of co-learners, tutors, and simultaneously I am running a YouTube channel by the name of English with Bablu, where I upload English related conversation and videos. And I am very much passionate and enthusiastic about learning this language. So that's all about me.
Okay. Glad to know about yourself. Okay. If I talk about myself, my name is Aminul. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student. I'm doing graduation on political science, and I'm also a teacher. I'm teaching at a local school. If I talk about my hobby is speaking practice with anyone. When I get time, I try to practice my English. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, okay. Good to know about that you are from Bangladesh.
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. So, do you have Bangladeshi friend?
No, I don't have any friend in Bangladesh.
So,
But I have
am I
talked to
your
many
first
people.
friend?
But I
Am I
have
your
talked to
first
many
friend?
people from Bangladesh. I have talked to many people.
Okay, okay, I got it. So, as you said, you completed your masters on English subject.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so when
I have completed.
okay, so when did you start to learn speaking English, or you are able to speak when you were doing graduation?
I I just started my speaking journey 6 months ago. Okay, and I did all my studies
Okay,
in Bengali medium school. I completed all my studies.
okay. So, can you tell me, did you learn English by yourself, or did you doing any course to learn this language?
To be honest, I would say that I just learned this language. I have learned this language by myself. Okay, but I have
Okay, that's
taken
great.
just 2 months course. I have taken only 2 months course, but I am not doing any course nowadays because I'm not getting that much time to do any course or to continue any course because of because due to lack of time. Okay,
Okay, I got it. So, as you said, you are teacher. So, which subject do you teach?
I teach only English.
Okay. Are you working at a school, or are you teaching at your
Uh,
home?
no, no, I teach in a school, and sometimes also I provide tuition to my students.
Okay, so how long? Okay, how long have you been teaching at a school?
Yes, so I have been in this teaching field for more than 15 years.
15 years.
Yes, yes, 15 years. So I am asking you that when did you start your speaking journey and what is the reason? Is there any specific reason for learning this language?
Okay, thank you for asking me this question. Actually, I started to learn this language September 2024. Now it has been maybe 6 months, like you, and I want to learn this language. My first reason is in future I want to be freelancer, and you know, in freelancing, English is very important. And the second reason is I want to travel all over the world. So this is the main reason actually behind my learning this language. So what about you?
So I am already
What's
a
your reason?
teacher. Yes, yes. So there are multiple reasons behind learning this language. And the first and foremost, the reason is that as
Okay.
everybody knows that English is an international and global language, so that's why we everybody learn this language. And second thing is that in case of me, I would say that as I'm a teacher of English in my school, I have to teach my students this subject and about the importance of this language. So, and apart from that, I'm blessed with a son. I want to give him an English speaking environment at home. And side by side, I want to be the better version of myself than before. So sometimes also, and there are another professional reason is that if you want to go abroad or in our countryside, so especially to the southern part of our India, Tamil, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, this southern part of our India, if you go there, so you have to speak, speak definitely this English language. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand their native language. So these are the reasons behind learning this language. And I want to
Okay, I
take my
got.
English to the next level.